a mini brand, and I got some over here. I opened one of these toy ones in the car. And these are new series. Even these toy ones, you can play with them with your LOLs. Because these have toys in them, but they can't open up. Those two, your dolls have to attend during the grocery store getting toys. And can't unbox them, the toys, because they might get broken and they can't get back together, or else you have to use tape to glue them. So, that is the first one.
What series are these?
These are number 3. This one is number 100.
No, that says 100 minis to collect. So that must be the first series of toys.
Oh, 5. Yeah, 5. And this one is number 3. Let's open it up. This one might take a while. It broke on me. Okay, where do I start next? Oh, right here. Right. Get in wrapping. Open up. Open it. Orange peel. Okay, it's stick. I got it. Apple slices. No, it's... Ooh, what is this? Oh, these are stands for your toys. That's cool. That's something new. That's cool. And here we have... Ooh, what is this? Ooh, gummies! What is this?
It looks like popsicles.
Ooh, popsicles!
Like...
Ooh, cheese! Cheese!
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese! I saw this on like this one video before. It was so cool. Ooh, so cute!
That is TGI Fridays spinach and artichoke dip.
Oh, that's cool. I think we have... Nope. Let's start with... Almost done. Let's see, where do I open it? Right here. Ooh, time to get unboxing. So this one is so new. What is this, Ma? Ah!
Let me see. What is it, Turner?
It's a mom. This is my mom filming.
It's called an Ease. An Eekies.
Shimmer!
You got shimmer.
Shimmer! This is Shimmer. I watched Shimmer and Shine before. Let's put it aside, like this. This one. Duplicate, but it's okay. We need more of this anyway. Going dark, I don't think you can. No, this is the regular, I think. The regular one. A shopping cart again. One more. Look. Oh, wait. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Doo 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 doo.
And it's pink.
It's Mommy shark anyway. Open this. I'm 6 years old. Open it.
Ooh.
Man, this one's a tough one, isn't it? Okay. 2. 5. 5 open.
Good job.
5 banana peels. And then we have to open this.
Oh, there's the chocolate.
Ooh, chocolate.
It's
Not
Hershey's cookies and cream.
Ooh, that's cool.
It's candy. It's a candy bar. Ooh, what's that?
Ooh,
Crystal Light.
crystallite. Cool.
Wild strawberry.
Okay, it was this mama saying wild strawberry. And another one of these.
Another shelf. Cool, you need them to put all these cool things on.
Oh, I already have the blue one of this. That's cool. One more. And it's gonna be a good one, I think. This is what I ate before.
Oh, it's Teddy Grahams, honey.
Let me do it. Open up in the car. This is Angelica. I opened it up in the car. This is my potion I opened in the car. That was from a few weeks ago. And this one was from today. Okay. This is for Leonardo. Yeah. No, Monster Truck. I'm definitely getting this one. How am I going to reach it? I'll swim. I can help you. Thanks, sis. So, here. You hop on there and got it. Oh, no. I better stack these back up. SpongeBob.